Welcome to Compare to Win. The best soft rock phosphate is probably one of the most underappreciated soil amendments in the gardening world. It's a natural source of phosphorus, essential for strong root development, vibrant blooms, and abundant fruit production. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of soft rock phosphate, exploring its benefits, how to use it, and why it might just be the secret ingredient your garden has been missing. Number 5. Rockin Green Classic Rock Laundry Detergent. Are you tired of stubborn stains and odors? This all-natural laundry detergent powder is designed to tackle them head-on. It works effectively in soft to normal water, ensuring your clothes get a gentle yet thorough clean. Made with plant-derived ingredients, this detergent is dermatologist-tested and hypoallergenic. It's safe for everyone, including babies and those with sensitive skin. The enzyme-free formula is perfect for delicate clothes. This 45-ounce powder is compatible with all washing machines and provides approximately 90 loads. Just add a scoop to your regular wash cycle, or add an extra scoop for a deeper clean. Use it on everything from bed sheets to kids' clothes. Embrace a greener lifestyle with this natural and 100% biodegradable laundry detergent. It's free of harsh chemicals and artificial fragrances. This vegan and cruelty-free product helps you make a positive impact. Join the Rockin Green movement and enjoy safe and reliable cleaning products. If you're not completely satisfied, customer support is available to assist you. They will get back to you within 48 hours. What we like. This detergent eliminates tough stains and odors, ensuring your clothes come out fresh and clean. It's made with plant-derived ingredients, making it gentle on sensitive skin and safe for the whole family. If you have sensitive skin or are looking for an eco-friendly option, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Soft rock phosphate is a good source of phosphorus for plants. It is a natural fertilizer. It can be used to improve soil fertility. Number 4. GS Plant Foods Liquid Fish Fertilizer, 1 gallon. This is an OMRI-listed fertilizer, approved for organic production. It's a natural, hydrolyzed fish fertilizer, perfect for your garden. You can trust it to meet organic growing standards. The formula provides primary nutrients from hydrolyzed fish. This ensures sustained plant nutrition and promotes healthy soil. It's designed to give your plants everything they need. It's ideal for a wide variety of plants, including vegetables, lawns, and flowers. You can also use it on shrubs, trees, fruit, and container plants. Just follow the directions for best results. Mix 4 ounces per gallon of water for most applications. Apply generously to the soil or use as a foliar feed until the leaves are wet. It's easy to use and effective. Produced by GS Plant Foods, LLC, a licensed manufacturer in Florida. This 1-gallon liquid fertilizer weighs 8.9 pounds. It's a quality product you can rely on. What we like. This liquid fish fertilizer is OMRI listed, ensuring it meets organic standards. It provides a balanced nutrient formula for sustained plant nutrition and soil health. If you are looking for an easy-to-apply fertilizer that works for various plants, you should consider this. What people say. Within a short period, I witnessed significant growth and development, with lush, vibrant foliage and larger leaves. My plants seemed to thrive, and they looked healthier than ever before. The convenience of the liquid form is a major plus. It's easy to mix with water and apply to the soil, making the application process hassle-free. The fact that it's readily absorbed by the plants ensures that they receive the nutrients they need quickly and efficiently. It can be used on a wide range of plants, from flowers and vegetables to trees and shrubs. This makes it a versatile choice for gardeners with diverse planting needs. Number 3. Down-to-Earth Organic Rock Phosphate 030, 5 pounds. This organic rock phosphate has an NPK ratio of 0:30. It's packed with phosphorus, which is essential for strong roots, beautiful flowers, and delicious fruits. This product helps improve your soil structure and boosts its long-term fertility. It helps your plants get the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. It's made from pure, sustainably sourced rock phosphate. This means it's free from harmful chemicals, making it an eco-friendly choice for your garden. The product slowly releases phosphorus into the soil. This promotes steady plant growth and reduces the chance of nutrients being washed away. It's perfect for plants like tomatoes, peppers, and flowering plants. Using this will help you get robust yields and vibrant blooms. What we like. This rock phosphate is rich in phosphorus, essential for strong root development and vibrant blooms. It supports healthy soil and is made from all natural, sustainably sourced materials. If you are growing flowering plants or vegetables, this is an excellent choice for boosting yields and promoting healthy growth. What people say. Soft Rock Phosphate is a great product for my garden. It has helped my plants grow and thrive. I have seen a noticeable improvement in the health of my plants since using this product. Number 2. PhoSul Granular Rock Phosphate with added sulfur 0-16-0. This is PhoSul, an organic fertilizer. It provides essential phosphate and sulfur for your plants. It's designed to boost growth in a sustainable way. PhoSul uses a more environmentally friendly method. It transforms rock phosphate into a form plants can easily absorb. This ensures your plants get the nutrients they need. In the soil, PhoSul releases phosphate and gypsum. These components are vital for healthy plant development. The granules release nutrients over time. Incorporate the granules into the soil during seeding or spread them on the surface. You can also blend it with other fertilizers. This ensures the plants get the phosphate they need. PhoSul is made from rock phosphate, elemental sulfur, and non-crystalline silica. It contains 16% total phosphate and 6% available phosphate. This product is designed to improve your soil. What we like. PhoSul offers an organic and sustainable method to provide plant-available phosphate. It includes added elemental sulfur, enhancing nutrient uptake. If you are looking for a fertilizer that promotes both plant growth and soil health in an environmentally safe way, you should consider this. What people say. Does the job. Neatly packed. Number 1. Fertilome High Yield Super Phosphate Plant Fertilizer. This fertilizer provides a readily available form of phosphate. It is crucial for plants during photosynthesis, helping them create energy. The supplement encourages larger and more beautiful blooms and fruit. Using it will help your plants thrive and produce more. This phosphate fertilizer is perfect for outdoor plants. It enhances their growth, making them healthier and more vibrant. It contains 18% phosphate, derived from superphosphate. This key ingredient is essential for plant development and overall health. Application rates vary depending on the plant type and size. Always refer to the label for specific instructions to ensure the best results. What we like. This fertilizer provides readily available phosphate, crucial for photosynthesis and plant growth. It promotes larger, more beautiful blooms and fruit. If you like enhanced growth and vibrant blooms, you should consider this. What people say. Soft Rock Phosphate is an excellent source of phosphorus for plants. It is a slow-release fertilizer, providing a steady supply of phosphorus over time. It helps improve root development and overall plant health. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.